Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill, I want to show you how to make a spiced whiskey glaze for your next holiday ham. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click on there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the glaze. So this simple ham glaze is easy to do, tastes amazing, and will wow your friends and family at your next holiday feast. And so to get started with this recipe, what we're gonna do is take 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and place that into a saucepan. Next, we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of good tasting maple syrup. After the maple syrup, we're just gonna put a pinch of cinnamon into this mixture. And then we'll give it a quick stir. We just want to combine that maple syrup and brown sugar together. All right, so next we're going to add in some whiskey. This is from our friends over at Shelter Point, and this is artisanal single malt whiskey. It's very, very good, and I encourage you to use a good whiskey when you're making this recipe. So we're going to put in 2 ounces of whiskey into this. 1, 2. Next, we're going to add in a barrel of sunshine. This is orange spice maple flavors coming together here. And this is a really good combination with the whiskey, and it's going to go really well on that ham. So we're going to put in 2 ounces of this. There we go. So with everything in our saucepan, we're just going to get it up to a simmer, and we're going to simmer it for about 5 minutes or so, just to help evaporate that alcohol, as well as to reduce it down a little bit, because we want this to be thickened up a little bit for that glaze when we put it on. So this glaze has simmered for about 5 minutes, and I just want to show you a little trick here, and this is how we know it's going to be done. So you're going to take a clean spoon here and just put that in. And when it starts to stick a little bit to the back and run off, you know that it's all done. So let that cool before you put it on your ham. So that's how you make that incredible spiced whiskey glaze for your next feast. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, we'll see you next time.